Nusa Penida Marine Protected Area of the east coast of Bali Island, including Nusa Lembongan, Giningele, and Nusa Penida Island. The island is a reef lover's paradise, home to healthy reefs, manta rays, sunfish, and sea turtles. The MPF protects some of the most diverse coastal and marine ecosystems in the world. It is one of the best places in the world to swim with manta rays, with large populations, over 700 individuals frequenting the reefs. The gentle giant, a highly intelligent and highly threatened fish, manta, means blanket or cloak in Spanish. The animal has 5 gills like sharks, diamond-shaped bodies, which are characterized by triangular pectoral fins. Generally, there are actually two species of manta: the reef manta ray, Mobula alfredi, which tends to live along coastline in the Indo-Pacific, and the giant oceanic manta ray, or Mobula barrestris, which lives in all the world's major oceans, spending most of its life far from land. If you observe carefully, you can distinguish between male and female on their genitalia. The male has a clasper that will open like umbrella to help the mating process. Both species of manta ray are filter feeders. They swim with their mouths wide open. You can see the cephalic fins make a round gesture, drawing in zooplankton and krill, which they sieve through rows of tiny rakes that line their mouths called gill plates. Manta rays make regular visits to cleaning stations, spots on coral reef where the animals go to be cleaned by smaller creatures, where they relax their cephalic fins and open their mouth a bit, while cleaner fish remove parasites and dead skin. When the cephalic fins are rolled up, it means they are swimming, enjoying the current, because this is the most streamlined positions. Like leopards and panthers, the manta also has what we call a color morph. Instead of white belly with a black spots, the ninjas or melanistic manta have black belly with a white spots. There are about 10% of the population in Nusa Penida MPA that has melanism colorations. While us humans have a fingerprint as a unique pattern to identify individuals, manta ray has a belly print. Their belly has a unique pattern that scientists could distinguish using photo identifications and a global database. From this identification method, we know there are over 700 individuals manta lives here on the island, and about 13 to 14 coming back and forth from Penida to Komodo. Potentially, we will also meet the sea turtle of Nusa Penida MPA. These free diver, cold-blooded, ignorant reptiles likes to spend their time swimming, feeding, or resting in the coral reef. There are two species that are commonly spotted around the MPA: the hawksbill and the green turtles. Distinguishing the two species could be easily done by looking at their mouth. Hawksbill, like its name, has a pointy mouth like the beak of the hawks. It helps the animal to eat corals and sponges. Meanwhile, the green turtle has a rounder mouth, and they're mostly eating jellyfish or seagrass, because turtles are reptiles and they don't have gills. They will come up to the surface to breathe. Turtle species identification can be acquired by the number and pattern of carapace coats, the plates on the shell, and scales on the head. Individuals are identified by the unique stable pattern in the right and left scutes of their head. Sadly, Penida manta and turtle species are listed on the IUCN Red List as vulnerable, endangered, and critically endangered. These rare charismatic animals are being threatened by trade, bycatch, water pollutions, boat traffic, coastal development, and climate change. More scientific study must be conducted to increase conservation efforts and management for the animals. But don't worry, everyone could contribute and help save the beautiful creatures. Get your camera ready before the dives. Take the belly shots of the manta and the left and right face of the turtles you encounter. Upload different individuals to mantamature.org for manta and iot.wildbook.org for the turtles. Don't forget to fill the locations and date and your email. The scientists will ID the individuals and you'll get updated to your email if they spot the existing individuals or the new one. And remember to keep a distance 3 to 5 meters from the animal. Don't chase the animal. Don't go into or top of the cleaning stations. Not flash right into their eyes and control your buoyancy.